early morning, 8 a.m. People are slowly waking up, and it's a race day, starting in 10 minutes.
Alright.
Qualifiers today.
Go, Patrick! Go, baby, let's go! Go!
I just raced the qualifiers. Not too good, but not too bad either. Didn't have a fall. I was on my one wheel the whole track. They have warm showers at Oak City Shred Fest. They have drinking water. Just headed to get some. Weather is the best for now. Sunny and not too warm. While it was super cold at night. Sleeping on the floor of a tent. I don't have anything with me, just a sleeping bag. Somebody brought me a tent, which I'm super thankful for it. Okay, there's the qualifiers racetrack I just raced before. It's not super smooth and not super bumpy. There are a few tricky parts, a few sharp turns, bumps, but it's fine. The only downside of the qualifiers was you only had one chance, and the qualifiers track was pretty short, actually. Oh, and it looks like the EUC race is going on the main track right now.
The Raleigh, North Carolina area. Are we ready to hit this? Hurley, we got the shaka.
This is where the one wheel is gonna be.
One, let's go!
Third row in the house.
Boom.
It's moving, folks. He's clipping. Keep it up. Don't let those little issues take you out of the race. There's always the community here to support you, whether it's fixing wheels, whether it's lending wheels. There's always folks helping you out. 3, 2, 1. Joe is going. And thanks for, again, joining us on the live. We appreciate you being here. We are here with AMP Electric Games, and we are doing the EUC.
They're hiding little 3D printed squares all the way the event area, and if you find them you might get a prize. There are different colors, different values. I found 2 purple ones, but I think the purple ones don't bring you a lot of free gifts. We'll see at the end. There's a green one that will bring you rails, which everybody's trying to find. They're hiding them daily in different spots, so you might never know when it shows up and where, which is kind of cool because you need to go around and search through all of the property.
Me and Joe gonna be in the front. We're gonna lead the ride. Please don't pass us. Stay behind us.
You've seen just a brief of the 3 competition qualifications, and now it's time for Sneer's best ride ever.
It's like a mile long. Are we just turning around and going back? Yeah, I think so.
Just another massive group ride that you can enjoy, going from the festival area to a brewery and back. It's charging time. some shopping. The power's out because of the one wheels, so the music's out. That's so funny. Some kind of group picture, but I think we're not gonna fit. It's just too many.
We got a chair! Watch out!
I love your shoes.
They sick, right?
Yeah.
Fucking sick socks, right?
You want new shoes? It's karaoke down there, but I gotta do a beer run back in the main camp. Gonna be back soon.
Bro.
Enduro race all together. Never done such a thing. It's gonna be a madness. Where's my board? I couldn't really film the mass start race because I was racing and there was no way to do it. But if you wanna see how that goes, watch Nico's video because he was filming everything.
You good? You good? Okay, go. Woohoo! Watch out! Wait. You good?
Now, that was fast. Who do you think got the most laps? You are halfway correct. He did, in fact, tie with Enrique Garcia with the most laps. Now, you may want to ask who won. Enrique overall, Garcia got the overall winning time. He's the fastest guy around. All right, Clydesdales with the 9 laps. Vincent Continio. Oh, how's Vincent Continio Souffle? With Adam Steele right on his tail. But check this out. Thank y'all so much.
So nice at the lakeside. It was super fun doing the enduro race with the mass start. I ended up actually 10th in the open category, which is pretty nice. I'm super happy about it. I almost did 10 laps. Now we're gonna enjoy the camp a bit and go check out the head-to-head races, for which I did not qualify to, but it's all good. I'm having fun. Head-to-head races just started. They're also streamed live on YouTube. I can post a link of this race in the comments, but I'm gonna go there and watch them live.
Yes, somebody!
Face mask there, Heather. Look at you. Terrifying. How'd you like to see that coming at you from Oak City One Wheels, Oak City Shred Fest. As we are preparing for our Heat 2.
Heather Grail.
Let's go, ladies!
Look how tight that was.
Over Hoppy Hill with no problems.
Let's go!
Heading back to the camp, maybe eat something. Gonna be back soon. The head-to-head races are super fun to watch, and there's still a ton of them. Phew. That's a cool thing to read the...
I do not recommend it for the trails.
No?
No.
Can you show us how it goes?
Oh, dude, you're the VX Wheel guy. You got the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Dude, you should. I watched all your shit.
Thanks. Then you're gonna be on the show.
VX Wheel.
Thanks. Here you go.
Alright, it's a false start. It is a false start.
Men's Open Finals. Racing's over. Thanks for those guys to providing me free Wi-Fi. We're waiting for 3 competition finals, and then I think that's it for this fest. Some group rides in the evening, having some fun, and I gotta go home tomorrow. That's not good, but I'll be in Italy in 3 weeks for Float Italy's Gattinara event. I'm not jumping that thing. Yeah. Let's see this guy. Woo, that was cool. It's always fun to let other people ride my VX wheel. And that's a new sea rider, if I remember correctly. He's not used to one wheels. I'm just cruising around because I can't sit down. It's so fun here. But we're gonna go check out the 3 competition finals. That should be crazy. From the float track to the Stoke Park for the 3 competitions. The guy won the bike right now. That's cool.
Oh, going to dark side. Yeah!
there's gonna be a glow ride in 1.5 hours, and now we all headed down to the final ceremony.
Got a lock of hair in her pocket. She wears a cross around her neck.
I didn't feel much of the final ceremony. It was nice, but it was long and not easy to capture in this video. The glow ride was fun and almost the last thing of this festival. People packing up. It's the end of the event. There should be a pancakes breakfast here. Let's check it out. Just the last cruise around the camp for fun. I need to disassemble my board, check if in all of those days any dirt or water came in. They're making the most of it with the floaty. Jay is gonna take me to the airport. I'm gonna fly to Atlanta and from Atlanta to Venice. The campsite's clearing up. Anyway, I'm super happy I did this event, and there's a chance I'll be back next year. We'll see. Thanks for watching the video, and see you soon in Italy, Scotland, and other events. I don't know where. I plan to be at the Float Life Fest in September as well in Asheville. See you there. I just want to keep riding because it's so cool. Some people went on a forest ride, but I skipped that last one. I'm gonna slowly pack up. I don't want to rush it. Thanks to everyone that helped me out getting my stuff here from Raleigh City, letting me use their tent, their Wi-Fi. I really appreciate your help. Thanks again. Oh, I have to pack all of these things. It's a mess. Just checking out how my DIY travel board survived all of these adventures through a lot of water and dust in the past days. Just a little bit of dust inside, but no water, no moisture, everything's fine. It's super cool. Oh, there's a small plane. Just cleared TSA. Let's go. Because at VX Wheel,
it's not just the destination, it's the journey that makes the difference.
We'll be landing shortly. We enjoyed having you on board, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.
The next stop is for E-Gates. E as in Echo.